Brent oil stalls as marketplace weighs deliver disruption. Recession fears Singapore Brent oil fees were little modified on Tuesday, reversing in advance profits of $1, as investors waited deliver issues, highlighted with the aid of a potential manufacturing cut in Norway, and worries about a probable global recession curtailing gasoline call for. Brent crude futures for September settlement edged up 0.2%, or 22 cents, to $113.73 a barrel by way of 0432 GMT. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude climbed $1.95, or 1.8%, to $110.38 a barrel, from Friday's near. There was no settlement for WTI on Monday because of the Independence Day public excursion inside the United States. While there are call for worries given the gloomier macro outlook, the marketplace remains predicted to be tight for the rest of the year, wrote Warren Patterson, head of commodity strategy from ING, in a Be Aware. On Tuesday, Norwegian offshore people started a strike so as to lessen oil and gas output, the union leading the economic motion instructed. The strike is expected to reduce oil and fuel output through 89,000 barrels of oil equal consistent with day, BOPD, of which gas output makes up 27,500 barrels of oil equivalent per day, Norwegian manufacturer Equinor has said. Oil output can be reduced through as plenty as 130,000 barrels in step with day from Wednesday, the United States' Oil and Fuel Affiliation forecast on Sunday. That would identical about 6.5% of Norway's production, consistent with a calculation. Data displaying enhancing interest within the services sectors of the economies of Japan and China, a number of the global's biggest oil importers, supplied some aid for prices on Tuesday. China's Caixin Offerings Buying Managers Index (PMI) snapped 3 months of decline in June and grew at the quickest fee in nearly a year, at the same time as the final Jibun Bank Japan PMI final month confirmed the fastest pace of enlargement for the reason that October 2013. But average, investors are becoming more involved approximately demand amid a large tightening in international financial conditions as the U.S. Federal Reserve fights rampant inflation with rapid hobby price will increase. Interest fee hikes additionally loom in Australia and in South Korea as government try and tamp down inflation. In South Korea, inflation in June hit a close to 24-year excessive, adding to issues of slowing monetary increase and oil demand. Oil remains suffering to break out from its present-day recessionary malaise because the market pivots far from inflation to economic melancholy, Stephen Innes of SPI Asset Management stated in a Be Aware.